Educuties TV!
Hi there, friends! Welcome to our shape adventure. Today we'll meet some fun shapes and learn how they look. Are you ready? Let's sing along and find out. I'm an oval. I'm an oval. Oval shape. Objects are egg, balloon, potato, mirror, rug. I'm a circle, round and fun. Circle-shaped objects are donut, wheel, clock, sun. I'm a triangle, sharp and neat. Triangle-shaped objects are sandwich, traffic sign, flag, pizza slice. I'm a square, with sides so straight. Square-shaped objects are window, dice, picture frame, cushion. I'm a rectangle, tall and wide. Rectangle-shaped objects are book, table, tray, door. Great job, everyone! You've learned so many shapes today. Now you can spot them all around you. Thanks for singing with us. See you next time. Bye-bye.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.